we go to Smithsonian National Museum Natural History in Washington D.C, District of Columbia. Here people in the line go to the museum. A lot of raining today, but people still drawing go to the museum because that's very history. Okay, we come in now. Here the museum in Washington D.C. Raining today, but still beautiful. Very green. Now we go to the museum, very close to the front door now, okay? I like Washington because so many raining and many green. You can see all the tree here. Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History.
I'm gonna go over here and take a picture.
Yes.
It says it's only like 35 pounds.
You can see here, Smithsonian Institution National Museum of Natural History. This is the Burns quartz, giant specimen of Arkansas quartz. Display all the kind of bird, owl, and golden eagle you can see here, or turkey. Yes. Rotunda.
I got a good one. Go ahead.
Wow, how many people in here?
Yeah, I think this is not a woolly mammoth. If that's not a woolly mammoth, it's a giant.
That's what I get confused. What's an elephant and what's a mammoth?
This one doesn't seem to have any hair on it.
Well, that would have a lot of hair.
But we'll find out.
You know what I used to do? I used to go there because I had a paper route. And I used to stop there. I'd get me 2 hot dogs and a drink.
I wouldn't measure up to it. I've ridden one long years ago when I was young.